Marketers typically have focused on the traditional marketing funnel from awareness to purchase, but the customer journey goes far, far beyond that through actually getting access to products and services, using products and services, getting support. And the rest of that customer journey, there are so many different opportunities for marketing a company's products and services to a customer, places in that customer journey where they're going to be really receptive to getting those messages and making a decision to deepen their relationship with the company. One thing that we've seen marketers starting to do lately is to really look at that end-to-end customer journey and figure out where in there customers are going to be more likely to need their particular products or services. And so those are great points for inserting marketing messages. Rather than just blasting messages out kind of at any given time, really understanding where in the customer journey people are going to be receptive to those. Oftentimes we find that the marketing organization is really disconnected from the parts of the organization that are responsible for delivering the experience. And so really what organizations need is a way to help different parts of the organization talk to each other and understand how those different interactions work together. Customers don't just interact with you through your website and then through an email and then through your retail store. Customers interact with you across all of these touch points throughout their relationship with you and throughout their customer journeys. So if you're going to improve the customer experience, it's not enough to just improve the website or improve what an email looks like or improve that retail experience or the call center experience in an isolated way. You've got to understand how all of those touch points work together and how customers flow from one channel to the other. By understanding the customer journey and all of those cross-channel interactions, that's really the first step to improving the customer experience. And customer experience benefits for companies range from soft benefits like better brand equity and things that are a little bit hard to measure like customer loyalty, to really hard metrics like increased revenues and cost savings. One of the most important things is that people from different parts of an organization need to just start talking to each other. I was in a meeting with a large bank recently, and for the very first time in this bank's history, the heads of the ATM group, the retail group, and the call center were meeting and talking to each other face to face. And that's a state in so many companies today. People just aren't talking to each other. So one is that people need to just start talking to each other. They need to collectively create an understanding of really what that end-to-end customer experience is, that end-to-end customer journey. And they need to start to understand how all of the different disparate parts of their organization come together to collectively create that customer experience. They also need tools that help them understand all of those different connections. So my advice to clients is that one of the most important things that they can focus on is truly understanding their customers. There's a lot of different ways you can do that. A Voice of the Customer program is fantastic. Creating customer journey maps is a great approach that a lot of companies take. But it's really about understanding what those customer interactions look like and specifically where the breakdowns are. Where are the points that customers are having problems? Why is this happening? And then once you can understand where those breakdowns are, you can start to identify the root causes of those issues. And that's really what we're trying to get our clients to understand. What are the problems? And then why are those problems happening? Why aren't they delivering a great customer experience? And the more that you can track that back to the root cause, the more you're going to be able to fix it and create happy customers.